Hey everyone, welcome to this quick and easy guide on how to use your Visa gift card on Uber Eats in 2025. Whether you're looking to save some cash on your next food delivery or just making the most of a gift, this step-by-step tutorial will have you set up in no time. Let's dive right in. First, make sure you're prepared. You'll need a Visa gift card with funds on it. Check the balance online or via the card's customer service number. Also, ensure you have the latest Uber Eats app installed on your smartphone and that you're logged into your account. Step 1. Open the Uber Eats app and head to the main menu. Tap on your profile icon, usually found in the bottom right corner, to access your account settings. Step 2. In your account settings, look for the Payment or Wallet section. This is where you manage all your payment methods. Step 3. Tap on Add Payment Method and select Credit or Debit Card from the options. Carefully enter your Visa gift card details, including the card number, expiration date, and the CVV code on the back. Step 4. Once added, Uber Eats might prompt you to verify the card. This could involve a small temporary hold on your funds, which is completely normal and will be released shortly. Step 5. Now, when you're ready to order your favorite meal, go ahead and select your Visa gift card as the payment option during checkout. Confirm your order, and you're good to go. A few quick tips. If the card doesn't work right away, it might be due to restrictions like regional limitations or if the card isn't fully activated. In 2025, Uber Eats has made some updates for smoother integrations, so keep your app updated. And remember, this method works for most Visa gift cards, but always double-check for any specific terms. There you have it. Using your Visa gift card on Uber Eats is straightforward and hassle-free. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and happy ordering.